In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo on the VS Recon in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now overall, this is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. Go ahead and head into your gunsmith and go to the customize tab. From here, go into the camo section and specifically into this multiplayer tab right here, because this is where you're going to see all of the challenges that you have to complete in order to get the Arclight camo. Now, first things first, there is a little bit of prerequisites. You are going to need to get Shattered Gold here on the VS Recon, and I have a full video breaking down exactly what you need to do in order to go ahead and knock that out. I would highly recommend checking out that video, just because it's going to break down all of the military camo strats and the special camo strats as well, and it's going to help you get Shattered Gold pretty quickly. I would also recommend checking out the videos on how to get Shattered Gold on the other 2 sniper rifles, because you do need to get Shattered Gold on 3 sniper rifles before you can even unlock the Arclight challenges. So make sure to check those out. After you have Shattered Gold, come back to this video and we can dive into this one, which is just 10 double kills or better with the VS Recon. Now this actually is super easy to do, and the strategy for this is simple. Go ahead and load into hardcore hardpoint or hardpoint. It doesn't really necessarily matter which one you get into. You just need to go ahead and get into one of them. And from here, you need to sit right outside of the hardpoint zone, wait for 2 people to run into that hardpoint and go ahead and get a double kill. And that just means essentially killing them both in quick succession. And this is easy if you're not sitting in the hardpoint and actually sitting right outside of it, because people are just going to keep flocking into this hardpoint over and over and over and over. Now, this will work on Nuketown domination, so you could definitely go ahead and do that as well. It's just a little bit more chaotic, but this should only take you 1 to 2 matches max. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.